Welcome back, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Hope you are all doing well. If you are, please smash that like button down below, letting me know how you're doing today, and leave a comment letting me know how your weekend's been going. Looking forward to reading what you guys have been up to. Now, in today's video, we are featuring another friend of the channel, this friend coming all the way from Pennsylvania. Let's check out Modern Day Viking. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning, Trent, also known as Modern Day Viking, does live in Pennsylvania. And as I've done previously, I asked him a few questions concerning his 2021 TRD Sport in Voodoo Blue. Starting off with, why did he choose the Toyota Tacoma? And he said he's always been a Toyota fanboy. His first truck was a 1989 Toyota pickup. After he had sold his BMW, he wanted a better way to haul his mountain bikes. Now, I also asked Trent, why are you building up your Tacoma the way that you are? And he replied he's building his truck so that he's able to explore the country. Him and his girlfriend are trying to live out of the truck for about a year and just go out and explore. Now, that is pretty cool to want to get out and explore, maybe take a year, just go off on all the road trips that you can and just explore all the beauty that the US has to offer. He does have quite a few mods on his Tacoma. You can check them out on his YouTube channel, Modern Day Viking. And you can also see what he's up to on his Instagram as well. But he currently has quite a mod set on his Tacoma right now. He recently switched over to Bilstein 5100s all the way around. He's got some Method 312 wheels wrapped in Falcon Wild Peaks that are a 265 70 R17. He's got a Victory 4x4 bed rack. He's got body armor, rooftop tent, window tint. He's got some LazFit ditch lights, a set of Running for Tacos control arm skids, Rotopacks, and a few other items as well. So be sure to check those out. And I'm sure he's got a few more coming as well. And that was actually one of the next questions that I asked him. So as far as next mods, he did mention that he is looking at bigger tires. He wants to get a roof rack, looking to put some rock sliders on, and some kind of power system for camping. All good ideas, and there's a couple on there that I also need to check out as well. Now, along with putting all of these mods on, I asked kind of what his favorite one is so far, and he mentioned it's gotta be his rooftop tent. They love getting out and just camping every chance that they get, and that's definitely something that I'm looking forward to as well. Now with that, you may have some mods that you don't necessarily recommend people getting. I asked Trent what he thought are maybe a couple that he wouldn't recommend, and he mentioned the control arm armor, which he says only really used for looks. The location made the paint chip on it, and now it's rusting, so no longer looks cool. I can understand that. The lower control arm skids can, I mean, they're there to take a beating anyway, so you might run into a little bit of issues there. So just something to consider that Trent is throwing out there. Now, if you would like to follow his progress, I did mention this a little bit earlier, but you can check him out on his YouTube channel at Modern Day Viking, and over on Instagram, modern.day.viking, just to see what he's up to. Now, I gotta say a huge thank you to Trent for being a friend of the channel. Looking forward to seeing what else you are doing to your Tacoma. Hope you're enjoying that new or newish Bilstein 5100 suspension setup. I definitely enjoyed mine when I had it. Look forward to seeing more coming down the line on your 2021 TRD Sport. Now, if you'd like to be a featured friend of the channel, head on over to my Instagram page. Be sure to follow me over there. Leave me a DM. Let me know that you'd like to be featured in a future episode of Featured Friends of the Channel. Or you can email me at mumfy64@gmail.com. Be sure to put in the title featured friend of the channel, so that way I know that you'd be interested in being featured in an upcoming episode. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Hope you did enjoy. If you did, smash that like button. Please consider subscribing. We are so close to 2,000 subscribers, and I'm looking at doing another giveaway at 2,000. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you guys would like to see in an upcoming episode. I greatly appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.